I'm Sarah McKenzie. This is Minneapolis Minute, a quick look at city news. Minneapolis food inspection reports are now online. You can search for reports on individual businesses or download bulk data for the past 3 years. It's important to note that even the best businesses have room for improvement and can get violations. Learn more about the health inspection process on the city's website. The city is taking applications through February 14th from community and market gardeners interested in leasing city-owned vacant lots for the 2020 growing season. Find a map of available lots and application information on the city's website. With winter in full swing, it's important to be prepared for extreme cold. In dangerous cold, frostbite can happen in just minutes. Find tips on the city's website and at ready.gov. That's it for Minneapolis Minute. For more city information, contact 311 or check out the City of Minneapolis website.